Hello everybody. Uh, Good afternoon or good morning to all of you. Um, Today is Monday here in Colorado, and I'm not sure how you guys weather right now. I hope you guys doing okay, and I hope you guys in a good health and a good weather today, so that you guys are being praised for that. And I always wish you, I'm always wishing you guys to be a good health and perfect weather also. Anyway, today is my half day for my work. I wanna show you how to make the chicken burritos, my own chicken burritos. I don't know when you guys buy chicken burritos, but I got my own different. So I'm going to go out to buying what I need to mix for that and to cook. Right now I'm here to my house and breast chicken. That's what I'm gonna do here. So hold on for me, and I will make the some menu for you guys. I know it's not perfect, but at least if you want to try, you can make this menu for you guys. So hold on, and I have some need to buy also for my house. I don't know what they are, but I will. I'm going to do at least half of it. So let's go out and follow me. But I cannot make the video inside of the. I don't know if they can do that. But some in the areas are okay. But I'm not sure in the place that I'm going to shopping for it. And some item. Let me wear my shoes for a while. And let's go out. And I'm going to pick up my wife also after her work, and do the same thing on cooking. What I need is to buy the Let's go. Follow me. And I got my key. Okay. Gotcha. There's no parking. Poor dog is in the room. So. Okay. Follow me. I'm going down to a supermarket to buying stuff what I need to cook, because I don't have enough my recipe. Okay. And just follow me. Hello. I got my lime and chili pepper, lemon, paprika, and we need the black pepper,
Chicken powder.
and we had the chicken powder. Yeah, paprika, lemon. Okay. Let me show you. Got this. We put some got this black pepper, but you have to cut so the taste will go inside of the meat. Then we put the chicken powder. This is a taste chicken. I know you know this. You can buy everywhere. And the paprika. You got the paprika to put it this so you can have it some to make some kind of just a little bit, just a taste of the and you put the chipotle powder so that would be taste better. But this is my own menu that I share it to you guys so that you can have it if you want. There you go. Just a little bit spicy. Must taste better. And I like spicy also. There you go. And then you massage a little bit. Then after you got it, put some.
Broil ba din yung ibabaw ang may paga? Okay.
Then we put on the foil, so put on the oven.
Broil. High. Low. High no, malamang high. Tapos ang timer mga ilang minutes. Siguro gawin muna natin 10 para sure. O hindi, baka
Gigrill ko lang.
20 natin. Sa taas ang natin natin.
Okay. Okay na yan? Okay. Yeah, we wait, and we're going to chop those the ingredients. Then here, need this bell pepper. So that can have the ingredients for that. Take out the seeds. There you go. And the green onion. And the red onion. You need to be cut the onion in small one dice. So they will put on the chicken like this. So when you cook, there you can smell already. Start grilling my chicken from oven. I have no grill outside, that's why I don't use grilling. The only I have is oven, but it's okay. You can have it that. So this is how I make the chicken burritos. And I did a sauce is just like, if you want, for me my taste is better than honey mustard. That's my, you can make another sauce, but if you want, make your own. But more easier for me. As I prepare the don't cook too much of this bell pepper. It's more good to use for like crunchy. So when you're cooking, just slight only. So you don't have to be too much cook. Me, I don't prepare too much cook. There you go. And it's gonna be a little while waiting the oven to be done for cooking. Right down there, the cooking out there. Please hold on. Just stand by. In this part are missing my audio, so I don't know what happened actually. I cannot hear anything, so I'm sorry about that. But it's gonna be okay. Just hold on. This is my experience when I'm having at the bistro mayonnaise. So when we finish it, I'll show you how they looks. The food is just to make it brown. Make it dry the chicken. More hotter to more faster. It's gonna take time, but good food. I got the lime. I got the soft taco. Each one you have to bake hot on the pan. There you go. Turning red. Show you. Okay. There you go. It's turning red now. I'm not sure if you know how the chicken biryani, that's some kind of the Arabic food. Smell good. I smell already. The reason why I put on the oven is because breast chicken is hardly to cook as a pan. So what I did, just to reduce the blood, we have to cook the chicken. We don't want to get problem in the future. Look at this. Some kind of making red. It's turning. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Trying to cook the chicken like grilled, because we don't have a grilling, so that's why I'm doing like this to more easy. Then we have to slice the chicken dice so that mixed with the bell pepper, onion, and green onion to make it good. And then wrap it up with the tacos.
Not good. I'm hungry.
Tagal pa yan. And don't forget to put the cilantro. So that's like additional, how you call it, the taste of the different. You know what I mean? Just only little bit to make the chicken better. This is what you need. Okay, that's it. You slice it like this. Then you cut the chicken. After you slice the chicken, you slice cubes. Put it in here. So you got the texture of the chicken. There you go. Last one. Okay. The chicken is fully cooked, and have to slice it. I'm already hungry because I smell the chicken is already very good. Okay, and now we're going to stir fry the chicken. With the okay, got this. Stir fry with olive oil. There you go. Okay. Okay. When the pan is hot, put in the chicken, then put the this. So that will be then with the garlic, powder, then and also put this together, the onion is fine, so it's going to be crispy. I don't put much of the onion. I want a little bit fresh so that it tastes good. Sorry for that specific, but I know you guys know how to cook also. It's just a simple cooking. Then put a little bit, how you call it, chicken powder. Seasoning. Just a little bit. And oyster sauce. This is from Philippines. Just finish it just a little bit. Just taste better. But this is good. Only a little bit. Just like 1 tablespoon something. So there you go. So this is, look at it. Not very dry, but it's good. Then little bit sesame oil. 1 tablespoon. Smell good. Now we're gonna taste it. Perfect. If you put it almost little bit so they can have a, and then the how do you call it, hot pepper, I mean chili pepper, sorry. Okay, we're almost done. Let's taste again. Yeah, okay, perfect. Tastes good now. Then, scoop. Then make the taco.
Grabe! Oo! Gutom na ako. Sarap naman ang kain ko kayo.
There you go.
Sarap! Sakto yung lasa. Dalawa pa tayo lang. Dalawa?
chicken burritos. If you take a look, and this is more tastier. Look at my chicken burritos. There you go. How do you look? Huh? There you go. Then you wrap it up. How do you call it? This is my another one. Come out. And this is my chicken burritos. Mmm. Mmm. Our wrapper is too small, but that's better for me. I don't need bigger. But that's my chicken burritos, how they are. Okay? Thank you for watching me. I hope to see you again for my another recipe. See you again.